Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Realogy Holdings Corp, and there are some fascinating moves which has happened and which is happening right now. So first of all, from the lows of 2020 March, the stock has already went up by 462%. But wait, because the stock is currently trading near its resistance level, so you should be very aware about this and no need to be super bullish, because what will happen if you take position and the stock started correcting afterwards. So you need to know about all these things. Okay, so here you have your trend. So here you have your trend, and as you can see where the stock is currently trading and where are your big support and resistance lies. Okay, so here you have your big trend, for current trend, beg your pardon, and your big trend is something else which we are also going to look at. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the all subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let us just discuss about the current trend, then we will discuss about the long term trend. So as I have told you, the stock is currently trading near to its current target or resistance, which is in between 13.67 and $14.46, and currently the stock is trading at $11.95. So unless the stock moves above 14.46 or 14.5 or $15, the stock is facing or near to its current resistance or immediate resistance, and that's what one need to know about, okay, before taking any positions. And you have your first line of support at 11.25, below which you have your next support at 9.17. Then you have your next support at directly at 4.65, and your support will be at $2.3. So these are the support levels which one need to look at on the downside. So as per the current scenario, the stock has moved most of it for the time being, and it is near to its resistance or the near term target. Now looking at the overall or the big trend, you have your trend like this. So as you can see, the stock has been falling down from the highs of 2013. So this is actually a bear trend, and right now the stock is currently trying to make a comeback or a rebound, whatever you want to say. So if you look at this trend, you can see something like this. Okay, let me draw the trend, then I will explain you. You will have something trend which is something like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, the moment the stock started moving up above $5, it is actually back in the trend. And now, as I've told you, the first target or resistance will be at 14.6, but if it moves above 14.6 and sustain above that, then you will have your next line of target or resistance, which will come in between $19 and $21 on the upside. Okay, so if it make a breakout of this line, then you will have a target in between these two ranges, because this is anyhow a sharp downtrending chart, and as you can see the trend. So unless it cross or makes a move above that, we don't have any uptrend for the time being. So your first line of resistance or your first resistance or target will be 40 in between 13.6 and 14.6, and currently the stock is near to that. And if anyhow the stock makes a breakout, then you will have a target, next target or big resistance will come in between 19 and $21. And unless the stock makes a breakout and sustain above that, there is no further trend. So these two conditions mandatorily be applied, so that if somebody is thinking that the stock needs to go higher, then it has to move beyond a certain point. Okay, so I have explained you those two levels. In case if it is not successful, then obviously you can refer to the support levels which I have explained you on the downside. So the support levels start from $21 to $2.50 on the downside. Okay, so there is a big line of support which one can see, and on the upside, if it sustain above $21, $22 or above this line, then what you have on the upside are like this. Then your first line of resistance of target will be at 28.5. Above that you have 35, and simultaneously you will have $37. Then you will have $44, and finally you will have $50 and $55 as your big or final target for the time being. Why? Because we don't have any data prior to that, and the stock has been falling downside. It's in a downtrending move in the last 6, 7 or 8 years. Now as you can see, the stock is trying to move up. Probably what we need to look is that how the stock is moving while going up, and as the trend is visible since or only from 2013. So that's why 55 will be our final target or the biggest resistance. Probably if it is not sustainable at that level, or there are lots of level, actually this is the final, but there are lots of level, and currently as I've told you that it is near to its current support. So we need to see which will be the final target, or in the long term as well as in the short term. But one thing is clear, if the stock, the new trend will only start when the stock moves above and sustain above 56 or $57. For the time being or prior to that, whatever is happening is just a trading bounce or a bounce back. So that's what you need to keep in your mind and trail your stop loss accordingly. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.